What's up guys, and it's time to talk about a phone that could very well blow your mind. You might remember this under-screen camera phone concept trailer from Vivo showing off a device with pretty crazy specs. This all looked too good to be true, but now a phone is actually coming with some of these features in real life. Out comes the Vivo X50 Pro powered by Samsung. Yes, Samsung just recently announced its brand new flagship camera sensor, the GN1, with 50 megapixel resolution, ultra-fast autofocus, and it's Samsung's biggest sensor up to date, even bigger than the one inside the Galaxy S20 Ultra. And as much as I want to see this on the Galaxy Note 20 Plus, this is going inside the Vivo X50 Pro. But what's truly mind-blowing here is what Vivo has built on their own, the world's first gimbal smartphone camera system. Vivo showcased the making of this gimbal camera system, and honestly, it's just mind-blowing. They actually spent months on this, and it's so complicated. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail, but pretty much this system is said to be 300 times more effective than your traditional optical image stabilization. It's so complicated that this whole camera kit actually takes 3 times the space of that of Galaxy S20 Ultra and P40 Pro camera. I gotta say, props to Vivo for actually putting this off, and honestly the results are looking pretty damn good. They flexed this in their concept and now it's a reality. The great thing about this gimbal camera system is that it's all in hardware, so you can actually get this kind of performance in any video recording mode, whether it's 4K or 8K or 1080p. Samsung has a super steady mode, but that is actually utilizing software a lot, so it only works in 1080p mode. So this, on the other hand, could work with the highest video quality setting. In addition to Samsung's GN1 camera setup, it's also rocking customized Sony sensors with a periscope zoom camera setup that could provide 5 to 7x optical zoom. And it's also got a pretty unique look, I have to say. Kind of scary. I mean, this whole look kind of reminds me of that Void meme. Anyways, the best Samsung camera is coming on this phone. I wouldn't be surprised if this one beats the S20 Ultra or tops the DxO mark. The GN1 sensor fully sports 8K 30 FPS recording, ultra fast autofocus performance. Both X50 and X50 Pro model is rocking this sensor. The non-Pro model is set to rock a hole punch display coming at 6.5 inches. It is AMOLED, made by Samsung. Interestingly, in all the X50 Pro footage, we don't see the front of the phone, which made me think that has Vivo actually pulled it off? Do they have the under-screen camera on this phone? Is this the real-life version of the phone they showed off in the concept? That's just what I was thinking, but most likely it could have a punch hole setup as well. But even with that, it's rocking some seriously amazing stuff, particularly its camera. Now inside the phone, we could expect to see the Snapdragon 865 on the Pro model and Snapdragon 768 on the non-Pro model. Both phones are set to rock 5G and massive batteries. As for the release date, the Vivo X50 family will get officially announced on June 1st. So it's about 9 to 10 days away from the official announcement. I gotta say, I am actually excited for this phone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think Samsung should use this sensor inside the Galaxy Note 20 Plus? And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.